Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing another contact lens review from Hapa Kristin, and this will be on 4 of these contact lenses that consist of this grey colored. So before I continue on doing this, I know my face is really white. It's because I'm trying this cushion and I want to see what the longevity is like, but honestly it looks so white on camera, but like in real life it actually looks not too bad, so please ignore it. Try your best to ignore it, okay? But yeah, so I have 3 monthly contact lens here and 1 daily one. The daily one is $19.99 and the daily monthly one is about $25.99 USD dollars. And again, with Hapa Kristin, if you guys haven't heard of them, they do free shipping if you spend over USD $40, which I think is like a no-brainer, because if you buy 2 of them monthly or you buy 1 monthly, 1 daily, you already get free express shipping, guys. Express shipping, not normal shipping, express shipping. And obviously if you spend less than 40 USD dollars, you can pay $9.99 USD dollars for express shipping. But I mean, if you can spend two contact lenses to exceed 40 USD dollars, you might as well get free shipping. And also you can also use my discount code. You don't need to, but you can get an extended 10% discount when you do buy this as well. Oh, okay, that's a bit. The first one is Hapa Kristin, and this one looks interesting when I first saw it because I thought that the pattern would be much more obvious on my eyes. When I actually put them on, it just looked like there's spikes on my eyes rather than the full shebang. Like looking at the contact lens itself, I'll put a picture up here for you guys to see. I legit thought that it would have like this like swirl effect on my eyes, as well as the hazel turnout on my eyes as well. But all it happened was all it turned out was just like the spikiness on the outer part of the eye, which I honestly don't mind. It looks much more of like a cooler, cold looking grey rather than a dark grey. So it's definitely not a natural grey, but it's definitely more of like a, I don't know, like a frosty, make your eyes look more like sexy as well, so those kind of color. The next one is called Hapa Kristin, and I use this for my foxy eye makeup look. If you guys haven't checked it out, which I'll put it up here, and honestly this particular contact lenses suit so well with that makeup look. It definitely gives me that smoky, sexy, foxy eye effect when actually putting this on, because I wanted something light, something obvious on the eye as well, and this gave me a perfect grey colored contact lens look. But this one also have a combination of like a sky blue color as well, so when you put it on, and the pattern for this looks really buzzy because it looks like there's like 2 outer rim like border on the contact lens, so you get that really nice sky blue, and then on the outer part you also get that very faded transparent looking blue colored border outline as well, which I thought was really interesting. But the overall it just looks great, and the diameter is not too big as well. It's 13.1, but I really love this pattern. Definitely look very sharp, very cold looking, very frosty looking, way more frosty looking than the previous Hapa Kristin. So I definitely love this particular contact lens. And I thought I would sneak in here halfway through the video to tell you guys that I am hosting a giveaway here, and Hapa Kristin is also part of this giveaway, so thank you to them as well. So we have come up to actually choose one winner to get 4 contact lenses by joining this giveaway, and the rules are very simple. Number 1, you would have to follow my channel here, so subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you would have to subscribe to my Instagram and also Hapa Kristin Instagram. And number 3, you would have to comment down below, if you get those 4 contact lenses, what would they be, what would you be interested in. Do keep in mind that with that 4 contact lenses, if you don't have eye power or you have the same eye power, you get a selection of 4 contact lenses. However, if you're in a situation like me where you have 2 different eye power, unfortunately it would just be 2 contact lenses, but obviously 2 boxes of this of 2 different eye power, if that makes sense. But all the rules and thing will be down in the description box below. So yeah, good luck you guys, and I will be hosting this for 2 weeks, and I will be selecting those that winner in my Instagram as well. That one is Devoted Kristin. I was super shocked with the turnout of this on the eyes because it does not look grey at all on the eye. It looks more so like a pink combination of grey, but mainly like green. But when actually putting it on the eyes, it definitely is like the most natural of all this 4, but at the same time it's the least gray of this 4 as well. This one have an amazing, unique, creative pattern. It has very beautiful star pattern, and when you put it on your eyes, it looks like it gives you like this milky effect on your eye as well. Like it just looks like your eyes look cloudy, but not in a bad way. So if you look at the pattern, there's like this star effect, and then outer part of the star on the edges, it has the pink color as well. I don't know, it just looks very different, and the diameter for this one is also 13.1. So yeah, I just thought that this was a really interesting pattern. Last but not least is Fruit of Passion, which is a daily one, and the daily come in 10 pieces, so 5 pairs. And this one actually looks a lot like the Oland's Secrets one as well. So I was like, when I first put this on, I was like, oh, this one actually looked familiar. I have a feeling that I really liked it before, and I realized that it does look like Secrets, so I'll put a side by side close up for you guys to see. But honestly, I do love this. Like, it looks nice, like it has like a combination of dark gray and hazel. This one definitely have a two-tone color to it compared to the other contact lenses, and this one definitely doesn't lean towards the cool gray, cold gray. This definitely is more towards the dark gray. If you want something more subtle, you don't want something too light on your eyes, I would definitely recommend this one. Those are my review for those 4 contact lenses, and I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to join the giveaway as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.